If you want something like this, beautiful, very, very yummy, very delicious, very beautiful on the eyes. So let's do this. Hey people, how are you? I forgot to give you the introduction. Today we are making some lentil peas or lentil beans and also some vegetable rice, some tilapia. Is it tilapia? I think fillet stew. So come with me as we make this beautiful lunch together. So for lunch we have lentils, we have vegetable rice, we have some cabbage and some fillet stew. This is normally for like a week, so don't get surprised. Like, how is she cooking all that? Is she going to eat it today? No. Sometimes I make some food for like 3 days to 4 days for a week. So this is gonna be like for this here is the lentil soup. So I think I'll give it like 45 minutes and then it will be ready to go. As the lentils are getting ready, so I'll prepare my rice. This is 1 cup. So I'll get another one. That's it. I'm going to wash it because normally I rinse my rice thoroughly clean. I don't want any creamy water. I want it white. So let's go. Yeah, as you can see, my rice is ready. So I'm going to soak it for a few minutes as I prepare the vegetables. Ready? Soaked. So now I'm going to prepare the vegetables. These are the vegetables. So I'm just going to put them in the pan, steam them a little bit. Okay, the lentil peas are almost ready. 10 more minutes and we'll check on them. Put a little bit of salt. A little bit of oil. And leave it for a few minutes and then I'll check on it. This is the red onion for rice. Okay, now this is ready. We're going to remove and do the rice. Okay, this is avocado oil. Good enough. I'll put the onions. I'll wait for the onions to get a little bit brownish, then I'll put the rice. And water. I always measure my water with my eyes. So I always make it a little bit higher than the rice. And then I'll leave it to boil like for 5 minutes and put it on low heat. Then I'll add the vegetables. Okay, the rice is ready. We're going to put our vegetables. Okay, now we're going to mix it together. I'm trying to finish everything from the pan so that we can make it even. See? Mix it. So the vegetable rice is ready. Now we're going to work on the lentil soup. So these are the ingredients for the lentils and then the fillet soup. So I'm going to blend them together. So the lentils are ready. We are going now to make the spices and we go on. I'm still here. So this is garlic. I'm going to pound this. Avocado oil, as usual. Okay, normally I don't want to put the onions when the oil is fully cooked because it will spark on me and I don't want to burn. Okay, the onions are almost ready and the garlic. So now it's time to put what we blended. Yeah, remember we blended everything, tomatoes, pepper, carrot, everything. A little bit of salt, because I already put some salt in the lentils as they are cooking. Pour Reiko, which was mix, stir it until it dissolves in the soup. Curry powder, now let's put the lentil soup in. Okay, and now mix everything together. Okay, now I'm going to reduce the heat. Other than that, if you do not, it's going to jump all over the place. And cleaning will be a little bit hard though. You don't want it messy. Yeah, it's normal for the kitchen to be messy, but it's also normal for you to clean as you cook. So that's how I want it. So this is our lentil soup. Give it like 3 minutes to boil a little bit so that all the spices, the dry spices, get cooked up. And then we're done. Thank you. See you when it's time to put it on the plate.